proper man in these parts, has just called in and he's just fixed. What have you just fixed?
The Dredd lift panel.
Yeah, this is one of the, I think, probably 2 lift panels that was in peach trees. And explain what you've done for our audience.
So I stripped out the old display and I replaced it with an Arduino and a LCD, as well as some LEDs diffused by some acrylic to cover the
superb
2 up and down, and then it'll go up to floor 200 and then back down to 0 and repeat indefinitely.
Yeah, and the only problem you're knocked with is you haven't got the right font.
Yeah, because I haven't had enough time and spent much trying to get it changed and stuff.
It's brilliant. Oh, it's fantastic. Right, we'll get that in. So visitors will be able to see one of the peach trees panels.